The Charitable Donors widget creates a display grid having a small info over all donors. It shows a name, a picture, the address, and the donation amount for information for every donor. From the Content tab, however, you can select the donor info for any specific campaign or leave it by default to show all. You can change the info orientation for each individual pieces. Then you have the alignment option, and for switches that turns on or off the for information about the donors. You can set the limit to show a specific amount of info boxes and more options for better visual arrangements. Next, you have the Style tab holding several sections for customizing several parts of the content. Instead of me telling you what they do, it's better if you watch it yourself. I'll stay put till the ending. That was all about it. Please like and subscribe for more updates. Feel free to comment down below. Thanks for watching.